So for this example, we are going to be graphing the tangent function. The equation is y equals 3 tangent of 2x. So we first start by stating what the amplitude and period are of the function. The amplitude is what the number that is in front of the trig function. So for this one, it is 3. And for our period for tangent, the formula is pi over b. This is a, and then the number in front of x is b. So we have pi over 2 as our period. Now for the tangent function, to get the y-axis scale, we are first going to divide the period by 2, and then we're going to divide the period by 4. So when we divide the period by 2, we get pi over 2 over 2, which is equal to pi over 4. And that will be our outer intervals. So negative pi over 4 and positive pi over 4. So you put 1 on either side. You then divide the period by 4 to get the inner intervals. So pi over 2 over 4, which gives us pi over 8 as our two inner intervals, which go inside. So pi over 8 and negative pi over 8. So dividing by 2 gives you the outer intervals, and by 4 gives you the inner intervals. And then you have the y-axis as your other interval. The next thing we're going to do is label the asymptotes. So the asymptotes always go on the outside intervals. So I am going to draw those in blue. Asymptotes are always drawn as dashed or dotted lines. Next, in the center, I'm going to plot my center point for the tangent function. So that goes right along the x-axis. And then we're going to use the amplitude to plot the two critical points. So my amplitude here is 3. So we want to label 3 up and 3 down. And when we plot the points, for the tangent function, the left goes up and the right, nope, the left goes down and the right goes up. So point there, and let's see, point here. So we draw our tangent curve, and that is how you draw the tangent function. Keep in mind, if your front number is negative, it would go the opposite way. So you would plot point here and your point down here, and the curve would look the opposite.